What's up, YouTube? Mike checking in. Get some videos knocked out today. No, I don't wear this shirt every single day. I actually noticed this on one of my favorite YouTubers, Boosted Motorsports. He has like a 2014 Ram 1500. But anyway, so I watched one of his videos one day and I was like, dang, looks like he has the same shirt on. And I was like, wait, it makes sense. You can shoot multiple videos in one day because everyone may not be interested in the same thing. So I shot the lift unboxing. Some people probably not into that. But anyway, today's video is going to be about spikes on the 5-lug Ram. So most of you know that spike lug nuts come when you have like a forged wheel that's open faced, and you can put your spikes on there. Well, I have the wheels for my truck and they come with spikes, so I'm going to show you how to install the spikes onto your center cap. For the wheels, there it is right there. It is of course a TIS544V. The V means it's polished. You can see my son, he is having a good time right now pushing this wheel. But anyway, so I have the amp mud terrains on there. See the size 35, 13.5 by 24. These are 10 ply tire? Yeah, it's 10 ply. I know a lot of them are 12, but these are 10 plies. But anyway, so yeah, with the TIS544, you can actually have a regular center cap, or you can install the additional spikes on it. So this video will be how to install the spikes onto your center cap. For those of you interested, again, that is a 24 by 14 negative 76 millimeter offset going on a 1500 Dodge Ram 2-wheel drive. Ooh. Oh well, I don't know what to tell you. I don't go off-roading, but this is sexy. So 2-wheel drive, lifted on mud tires, not going off-road. Pavement princess, I don't care. Look at the charger. It's pointless as some of the comments. So anyway, let's get on with the video. Alright, so I ordered my wheels and tires from the rim shop of Charlotte. A good friend of mine, Habib, hooked me up. Got me a good deal. At least I feel like it was a good deal. So when you get the TIS544, you should get a box, and it has some parts in it. And what those parts are the center caps. And you would have this box. Let's put that here. Actually, you can see it says, whoa, my son is running over the camera with the wheel. Anyway, you can see that it tells you that it's spikes. So let's open these up, see what they look like. Man, I'm going to tape they use on these. Alright. So, open it up. Comes like that. Also in here, you have this. Look at this boy here. He was sitting inside the lip of the wheel. See all this mess in here? I got boxes everywhere for the truck build. And I have 1 week to do it. Anyway, so you have box of screws, have your spikes. So, this is what the normal center cap looks like. So, looks like that. Comes with these, what looks to be bolts. They're actually not bolts, they're plastic. This whole cap is plastic. So, anyway, if you look at it, you can actually take it off into 2 pieces. So, we can take the center cap, set it to the side. You don't need the center cap for the spikes. But what you actually need to do is unscrew these from the back, use the new provided screws, and install your spikes. So that's what we're going to do. Let's go ahead and open the spikes up. And that's what it looks like. This is just a plastic chrome spike. So next we'll open up our bag of bolts. And let's go ahead and get all those out. So now you have some Phillips head screws, some spikes, and this. So all you need is the Allen key. So all you need is the Allen key. Actually, it comes with the Allen key somewhere. You just need the Allen key to undo these and replace it with these Phillips head screws. Allen keys? I don't remember being Allen keys. I did one already, but let's see here if I have the right one. Actually, I don't have the right one, so let me find it. Whew. Finally found what works. So, all you do is take this in here and you back out this screw. And what you notice is this whole thing comes up. So, you keep unscrewing. What you will have is this little cap. See how that is? And you will have this that's now loose. So I tried the first time to use this key on this, but it didn't work, at least not for me. So I guess that's why they give you the provided bolts. So what you do is you take the spike, and now you have a spot like this. Sit it in there, and now you take your provided screw and you tighten the screw. So let's go ahead and do that. And it is hard to get this thing aligned. So have that there. Screwdriver. So it's not biting. Let's try this. Alright, so you don't want to tighten it too tight, of course. This is not metal. So now what you have is a flathead there, a Phillips there instead of an Allen key. You can see that it sits straight up. Now you repeat that several more times, and I'm going to do that, and I will save you guys. Finally, after what feels like an hour, okay, maybe 10 minutes, you would have this. And grab your center cap. Center cap goes between it. And voila. So then you will have your spikes. My son is standing in the wheel, holding on to the tread at this point. Anyway, so then you will have this. Then you just tighten the two Allen screws. You can see they go here, and put them on the wheel. So I'll show you how that looks. Give me 1 second. Once you put the center cap on, there you will have the spikes. So it looks kind of like a 8-lug wheel, but it's actually 5 lug, dual 5 lug. YouTube, so I'm finishing up the center caps. You know, I shot the video, closed it down. So I'm doing the last one. I knew I wasn't tripping because I did the first one when I first got the wheels. And I was going to do the other 3. I was going to shoot a video for it. Here is another base for the center cap. So, of course, I got my tools out, which I was using this Allen key. And look at that. Phillips. So, half of them, 2 of them had Allen keys on the back. 2 of them had Phillips screwdriver heads. So, thought that was interesting. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and finish this one up. Like I said, I got that cap on, that cap done. It's one inside the garage that's already done. So, I'm finishing up the last one. Yeah, I just wanted to pop back in real quick to show you. I wasn't tripping when I originally had the screwdriver. Like, the heck. Anyway, peace out. Talk to you later.